Hey, I just wanted to send you a video, check and see how you doing, and just let you know, man, I've been missing not seeing you in class, not really hearing from you in the email, so I just want to see if I could reach out through video and um, see how things are going, see if everything's good, everything's okay, and hopefully get a response from you. And so, if you will, just get back to me. Let me know how you're doing and really just how everything's going. Um, so I hope to hear from you soon. And been missing you in class, so just want to check in, check see how things are going. Hopefully, we can communicate. We can meet and talk one on one if you would like through Google Meet, and just go from there. Hope you're doing well. Please let me hear something back from you. Thanks, buddy.